Hi everyone, today's video is all about how to delete multiple accounts from your Android device. First, go to Chrome browser and type youtube.com. You can see this type of interface. Then tap on the three dots of your upper right side. Then some options will appear. Click on the desktop site. Then click on your logo. Click on the setting options. There are some options under your channels names, and click on add or manage your channels. Then your channels names will appear. Tap the channel you want to delete. Then tap add or remove managers. Tap on the delete account, enter your password, and then click next, and your unwanted account will be deleted. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you so much.